Here's a great big nitroplane. Miles, what have you got there?
So it's a Seagull Yak 54. We've got a an RCGF 20cc Stinger in it. All the servos are Savox, Catawba radio, and a clueless pilot.
Well, I don't buy the bit about the clueless pilot. We've seen him fly his helicopter. I can't wait to see what happens with this. I don't know if this plane has flown before or not. I think it probably has, but Miles is certainly warming up the engine, making sure it's ready to go, getting it nice and warm. You don't want a beautiful plane like this to have the engine carket as it's on the heading off on a takeoff. I don't know if you noticed that windsock when he was flying by it. A very significant crosswind, lots of breeze blowing out there. And so naturally he wanted to keep that airspeed up as he was landing it to avoid any surprises coming in. Well, Miles, well done. That's a beautiful plane. And I'm sure as you get things dialed in, we'll be seeing a lot more of it. Thank you for watching another flying demo from the Central Coast Model Aero Club. This is RC Jim signing off, but hey, make sure that you subscribe and have a look at some more great content on our channel.